guys. I got to do a little bit of rust repair on my Honda because it's been taking in water, and every time it rains I have a pond in my passenger side, and I'm starting to get sick of it. I mean, the car is kind of a piece. It's my beater car that I just drive around and drive in the winter and that. But I'm going to fix it today, so I figured I'd get it on camera. Like I said, this car's only a beater. I've got my my Firebird there. That's my toy, and this is my little Honda. I got the car for free, and I'm trying to keep it going as long as possible. It's only got 114K on it, but it sat outside its entire life, so rust got to it. As you can see, I pulled the carpet out, took the plastic trim off, and there is the problem area right there. Pretty rotted out. I tried filling it with this great stuff foam crap, and I figured it'd be a temporary fix, but it didn't even work. The water gets right through it. So I'm going to actually cut this out and weld it up today. As you can see, the floors on this car are in pretty good shape, other than that little area right there that rotted out. I'm guessing there's a bunch of crap built up inside the rocker panel, causing it to clog up, and when water comes in, it's got nowhere to go. As you can see, the rockers on this car are not in great shape, and eventually, probably next summer, I'm going to put a new set of rockers on this thing. But for now, I would like to get the water leak fixed before wintertime, so I'm not constantly having a frozen ice cube in the bottom of my car. So let me get to work a little, and I'll get back on the camera once I get to the next step. Alright, at the next step here, I found a lot worse than I actually thought it was, unfortunately. I'll show you guys what I mean. First of all, I'll show you the damage spot here. Now, when they say expandable foam, they mean expandable foam, because that's how much of that shit that I pulled out of there. But I've got the bad material cut out here, and as you can see right through there. The rocker panel's in rough shape. I got to grind it down and get it all fresh to weld some new metal up. But bunch of rust I pulled out of it there. When water gets inside a rocker panel, it's got to get out somewhere, so it usually eats its own hole. This is what I found. I knew this hole was there, although I didn't know it was quite that bad. And as you can see, right in here where the front fender meets the rocker panel was a buildup of dirt. I was expecting something in there because I knew the hole was there, although I didn't expect to find half of a kid's sandbox. That's what came out of there, and I mean, that's a pretty big pile of dirt. But I washed it all out with water. The rocker panel is all clean now. There's the bad metal I cut out. So let me get this ground down, and I'll see if I can patch it up. Alright guys, finished up the rust repair. Let me show you that real quick. There it is, and I know it's a little sloppy. This car is my beater, like I said, so I wasn't trying to make the prettiest welds here. And you can see I caked them up on the bottom there because I don't want it to leak anymore. I'm sick of having a puddle of water in here. But that's it. I am going to go over it with seam sealer, automotive grade seam sealer, and then put a nice coat of spray paint on it, and that should seal it up and keep it from rotting away any further. So when that's all set, I'll take another vid and show you the finished product. Alright, rust repair is done. Let me show you guys with the seam sealer now. there's that, all sealed up. I caked the seam sealer on pretty good around the bottom, only because you never know if the welds are going to hold or not, and if you don't know if they're watertight. So safe bet to put a decent amount of sealer on. This is automotive grade sealer. It stays flexible, but it's heavy duty. And I will hit that with a quick spray of some black spray paint, and that'll be it. So there it is, all set. Hopefully I don't get any holes anytime soon, because I need this car to last me a little while. So that's it. See you guys later.
Go!